Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to place an order in the Zara app on your phone. It's a very simple process and we'll show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Zara app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, make sure you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you will see the interface something like this. Here you can see the search bar at the bottom, tap on it. And now you can simply browse through the products and find the items you want to purchase. For example, if I want to order this sneaker, I'll tap on it. On the product page, you will see several photos of the products and all the descriptions about it. You can check through it. And if you like the product, you can tap on add and select your desired size. And now it will be added to your shopping cart. In order to view the shopping cart, tap on the shopping cart icon at the top right corner. Here you can review the items that you have added. You can make any last minute changes or remove the items if needed. Once you are satisfied with your selections, you can now proceed to checkout. So for that, you need to tap on the buy button at the bottom. Now here you need to select your shipping details, including your address and your preferred delivery method. So double check to make sure everything is correct. After that, tap on continue. Here you can select your payment method and enter your payment details. Zara will accept various payment methods like Visa card, MasterCard, PayPal, etc. So you can still review your order summary to ensure all the details are correct. For now, I'll select MasterCard payment method. Tap on MasterCard. You can select any payment method that is applicable for you. After you enter your payment details, if everything looks good, tap the Authorize Payment button at the bottom of your screen. And that's it, you've successfully placed an order on the Zara app. You will receive a confirmation email with all the details. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.